Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Facebook app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have a fixed internet connectivity issue. So then you have provide working on your iPhone fine. So you have checked the Wi-Fi connection you have used or cellular data on your iPhone. You have must be checked on your iPhone is working proper on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have quite and you have relaunched the app. So you have deleted from your iPhone Facebook and then you have installed from App Store. Then you have second solution, third solution, you have check Facebook update. So then you have open the setting, or open the App Store. So then you have search from Facebook. So then you have check the update Facebook app you have available on your iPhone. So then you have must update on your iPhone Facebook app. Then another solution, you have offload and reinstall Facebook app. So then you have open the setting, then you have check the Facebook app and then offload and then reinstall on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then another solution, you have a Facebook app not working, then you have restart your iPhone. Then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restarted and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have update your iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general. So then you have click on software update iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.